In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn Thai with ChatGPT. Now, I've been learning Thai in general and using ChatGPT to help me, and I'm going to give you some tips on how you can use it to learn it effectively and how you can create resources that will help you learn the language or any language for that matter. So here I've got a chat open which I've just been playing around with. Now I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to actually learn Thai. So to do this, you actually need to download ChatGPT from the App Store. Go ahead and download it and then open it. And that's going to allow you to speak to it either with the microphone or just have a conversation with it in general and learn through conversation. So we'll open up a new chat here and we can either speak to it by clicking on the microphone icon. Hello ChatGPT, I want to learn Thai. Can you say, hello, how are you in Thai? Once you speak into the microphone, it will write down what you've spoken and you can go ahead and send it. So it's then going to give you the answers in text. Now you can go ahead and hold down on the response and click read aloud and it's going to read the response out, which is good for kind of like listening to how things are said and listening to how words are pronounced. Now you got to understand Thai is a tonal language. ChatGPT is not going to be able to get all of the tones, but it gives you a good idea and it's a good resource. Now, another way that you can learn is by going ahead and clicking on the headphone icon in the bottom right hand corner, which I'll do now. I'm creating a YouTube video about learning Thai with ChatGPT. Can you tell my viewers how to say subscribe?
Sure. To say subscribe in Thai, you would say samak samachik.
So there we go, that is the word to subscribe, and we have the transcript here, and obviously you can reply to ChatGPT and have a full-on conversation, and it's going to really help you out. Now, another thing that you can do, and I've done this inside of my other chat, you can actually go ahead and say, like, can you put these phrases into a table? And that way you can get a table of all these common phrases that you're learning, which you can go ahead and download and use as a great resource for helping you create flashcards or something like that. So this was a general overview. I hope you can use it to learn Thai. If you are in Thailand and you do want to talk about YouTube or YouTube search-based channels, which is what I do, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's in the channel bio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.